Today we are looking at something a bit different than usual, in-ear earbuds or over-the-ear earbuds. These are the SoundPEATS Clip1. And they are designed for people who want great sound but don't want anything blocking their ears. If you have been looking for earbuds that feel really light, stay secure during workouts, and still deliver high res with even LDAC and Dolby support, then these ones might be the most interesting pair that you have seen in a while. With this said, let's start the review. Tiago here, welcome back or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review. Taking the price straight out of the way, you are looking at $48 if you are buying these ones on USA. For the UK, the price tag is £64. This one's here, guys. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Let's continue with the review. Before we get into the features, let's start with what actually get inside the box. When you open it, you will find the SoundPEATS Clip1 earbuds themselves, the compact charging case, the USB-C charging cable, the quick start guide to help you to set up everything in a few minutes only. It's a simple, clean unboxing experience that matches the lightweight, minimal design of the earbuds. The first thing you notice is how incredible light they feel. Each earbud weighs only 5 grams, and the flexible end flex arch wraps gentle around your ear using soft liquid silicone and a thin nickel titanium alloy. It adapts to different ear shapes, stays in place even when you are running or cycling, and works comfortably with glasses or helmets. Because they sit outside your ear canal, you can stay aware of the surroundings while still enjoying your music, which makes them perfect for commuting, office work, or multitasking at home. Sound quality is where the Clip1 really surprises you. With LDAC support, you can stream high-resolution audio up to 96 kHz 24 bits, giving you more detail and clarity than typical Bluetooth earbuds. SoundPEATS Dynamic IQ Pro adjusts the sound in real time, so your audio stays balanced whenever you are outdoors or indoors. If you want to use the LDAC, you will need to disable multipoint in the PEATS Audio app. But the jump in quality is worth it. And then there is Dolby Audio. This is the first open-ear model from SoundPEATS to support it, and it adds a spacious, immersive feel to movies and music. Combined with a custom-tuned 12mm dual magnet driver, you get a surprisingly rich and cinematic soundstage for earbuds that don't even go inside your ears. The Clip1 also includes smart AutoSense technology that detects which side you are wearing it and adjusts the audio channels automatically, playback pauses when you take them off, and resumes when you put them back on. Inside the app, you can customize features like drop detection, multi-point pairing, and low latency mode for gaming or videos. Battery life is strong too. You get up to 8 hours of playback per charge and up to 40 hours total with a case. A quick 10 minutes charge gives you around 2 hours of listening time. With LDAC at around 60% volume, expect close to 4 hours, which is still solid for a high-resolution streaming. Open-ear earbuds often struggle with sound leakage, but SoundPEATS uses their sound focus technology to direct audio precisely to your ear, keeping your music more private. And if you are outdoors, the Aero Voice wind reduction chamber helps cut wind noise by up to 25%, making calls clear and reducing distractions when you are walking or cycling. Taking phone calls is very important for some people, so please be the judge on the next mics test, indoors and outdoors. Okay, so this is the sound of the SoundPEATS Clip1 indoors. I'm inside of my room, so no noises around. So this is how they will sound if you want to take a phone call in a quiet ambient. We're going to go outdoors and do the same outdoors. Right guys, so this is the sound of the SoundPEATS Clip1 outdoors. As you guys can see, it's a little bit of a breeze, so I don't know if you guys can hear the sound on the mics. So this is how it will sound if you want to take a phone call and you are outdoors. Let's go back inside and carry on with the review. After using the SoundPEATS Clip1, the overall experience is all about freedom. Freedom from your ear fatigue, freedom from stay aware of your surroundings, and freedom to move without worrying about earbuds falling off. The LDAC, Dolby audio, smart sensors, long battery life, and a comfortable, barely there design, the Clip1 stands out as one of the most compelling open-ear options available right now. If you have been thinking about switching to open-ear earbuds, this might be the pair that finally convinced you. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the SoundPEATS Clip1. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them if you want to buy the product. Doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.